How to sew your elastic waistband. Hi lovelies, on today's video I'll be showing you how to sew your elastic band. If you are finding it difficult to sew with your elastic, to make elastic waist on your skirt or your trouser or your shorts, right here I'm going to show you how to make it easier for you. Okay, right here you are going to measure out the waist measurement of the shorts or the trouser or the skirt that you sew. Use the same measurement you got there and cut out your fabric, your band on your fabric. Then there, if your waist is and remove 4 inches, whatever that is your waist circumference, remove 4 inches or 5 inches from it and cut out your elastic band. I'll be working with 1 inch elastic band and 2 inches elastic 2 inches fabric band. I cut out 2 inches for my fabric, put it on fold and iron it. So right here I'm going to pick up the two edges and join them together, open it or join them together and sew. Just watch what I'm trying to show you. You are going to sew right there, and I'll pick up my elastic and join them together and sew again. Okay, so the way I joined my elastic, band, my fabric band, I will do the same thing on my elastic. So right here I'm going to show you how to insert it and sew. So watch what I'm doing. Insert your elastic on in your fabric band, insert it there, then I will take it to my sewing machine and show you how to sew it. So when you insert it there, you sew this way. Okay, you sew. So right here I'm going to show you how to do this on my sewing machine. Let's go. Okay, right here we're on the machine. So you're going to insert it the way I showed you from the table. So when you insert it, you put it on your machine. You're going to drag and sew. You drag and sew. So you will see that band forming. You will see it forming. So right here I've put my needle on my machine. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to drag and sew. I will drag and I will sew. So just watch me. This is so easy. It's for beginners, for advanced, anybody can do this. This is so easy. You know, my video is always for beginners because I know how I struggled during my own time. YouTube helped me a lot, so I'm not going to hide anything for you people. So I will show everything here because I learned a lot from YouTube. So watch closely. Just watch how the elastic is forming. You drag and you sew. You drag your elastic, hold it very well and you sew. Just do this carefully. This is not something you rush. If you rush, your thread will be cutting. Oh, this thing now witchy. If you rush, your thread will be cutting. So you calm down, just calm down, breathe in, breathe out, and you'll be sewing it small. You see it coming together. You don't rush it. Okay, you drag, you sew, you drag, you sew, you drag, you sew. You drag, you sew. So that is it. That is how it is done. You see the elastic forming. Just look at it now. You see how good it. This is just 1 inch. Oh. Imagine using 2 inches, 4 inches to make this. Oh my god, you are going to love it. To come out so good, to come out so well. So just watch what I'm doing. If you have watched to this point, thank you very much. Thank you for sticking by me. Thank you for watching this video. Please always subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, it helps me a lot. It helps me to do more. Okay, just look at my elastic now. Just say this. So the next thing we do is to trim out our our excess. Just trim out the excess. So after trimming it out, you fix it on your waist band, on your trouser or short or skirt, whatever, whichever one you are sewing, you fix it there. Whichever one you're sewing, you fix it there. So I'm trying to trim out the excess here. After trimming it out, the next thing we will do is to fix it wherever you want to fix it. This is so easy, so easy. It's not difficult. Just cut out your band, fold it and iron it, trim it to the inches that you want. If it's 2 inches or 3 inches, anyone that you want to sew it. Please, if you are sewing with your elastic, whatever inches of the band that you are using, please make sure you add extra 1 inch for your band allowance when you are fixing it, so that when you be dragging it, when it will be folding, you will still have extra allowance, not the one you will sew. There will be no allowance. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking by me. I love you guys. Kudos.